Are you able to see my screen, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, cool. So today we are going to discuss about different topics, extent reports, listeners, and Jenkins and Cucumber as well, because these are very small topics. So 10 minutes is more than enough for each and everything. So firstly, I'm going to start extent reports. So here, extent reports is very important in real time, guys, but nobody will ask any question in extent reports in the interviews because it is a reporting tool. So what is an extent report? So it is a reporting tool. It is a reporting tool which is used to create reports. So which is used to create reports to each and every .java class. Each and every .java class in our project. So here what it will do, if you add extend report methods to our class, what it will do, it will automatically create, it will automatically generate reports for each and every class in our project. In our project, it is a third-party tool, guys. We need to add the dependency. So see, if you observe here in the pom.xml, are we able to see pom.xml, guys?
Yes.
So if you observe here, so I have added this dependency. Already I have shared this pom.xml into the drive, so Google Drive, so you can download the pom.xml and you can use the same dependencies. Or otherwise, so if you want to download from Google, you can download using Maven repository dependency. So click on the Maven repository and here type extend report. Just type extend reports and don't go for event stack, go for relevant codes. This is for Selenium. Just click on that one and click on the latest version and copy this one and paste into your pom.xml. So here in the extend reports, we have two types of classes are there. So first one is extend report. So what it will do, this class is used to create a report. So this class is used to create a report, guys, and also we have extended test class is there. So this particular class is used to write each and everything to the report. Write each and everything to the report. That means if you want to print some text to the report, you need to use this particular class. You need to use this particular extended test class. Extend test class. So apart from this, we have few methods, guys. So there are there is no many methods, guys. We have only few methods. The first one is log method. So what it will do, see, this particular log method will contain a different status. So called fail status, pass status, warning status, skip status, everything. By using this log status only, we can write the particular thing in the extend test. We can write the particular text in the extend test because this log method is there in extend test only. And the important method is a flush method. So we have flush method, guys. What this method will do, it is used to override. It is used to override old data with new data. It is used to override old data with new data in the report. So flush method at every last step of our .java class, we need to use flush method. What it will do, it will replace old value with the new value, old data with the new data. So let me show you here, guys. So here, so I have extend report example. And if you observe here, are you able to see my screen, guys? So here I am using two classes, extend report class and extend test class. I have copied each and everything from my real-time project. So I have copied this step and these steps and these steps I have copied from my real-time project. Only I have changed this particular report name only I have changed this here. So what it will do, so by using system.get property, what it will do, it will automatically create one Saag.html here. So extend reports will create only .html, guys. Extend reports will create only .html. And see here, I have created object for this one. And a test, so here extend the test for this, so I'm using report.start test. So for each and every class we need to start the test and we need to end the test. So it is this is nothing but our report name. So this is the heading of our report name. So heading is different, report name is different. I'll show you that one. So here just I am launching this particular RNHRM. So later on, so if you observe here, so here after entering the username and password, after entering into the home page, I'm just verifying the title RNHRM. If RNHRM is same, so here see I'm using log method. By using log method, I am passing my status. If both are not same at that time, it will automatically fail the status. And see for the second method, click logout method. So here our system expected value is test Saag, but the actual value is RNHRM. At the time it will fail here, right? It will throw this fail status. And here I have written one method in after class, so end test. So we are starting the text by using report.start test, right? Report is nothing but extend reports. So same like that, we are going to end the test by using report.end test. And this is nothing but a flush method. Only we have 2 to 3 methods is there. See here, first of all, I'm not executing this particular method. So for this one, I am using enabled equal to false. So I'm using enabled equal to false because I haven't executed this one. I'm only executing this. I'll show you guys. So how report will looks like each and everything. Process is same, guys. Just we need to add 2 more objects, extend reports object and extend test object. That's it. Remaining everything is same. See here, each and everything is executed fine. Our method, see here, login to RNHRM is executed fine. And I'm going to refresh our project. See, after refreshing, it is automatically generating Saag.html, right? I'm opening this in show in System Explorer. So I'm executing this one. Are you able to see the report, guys? See here, title is same. So RNHRM. So this is nothing but the title that we have passed in start test. And Saag.html is our HTML, sorry, our report name. And see here, we have passed, pass and fail, right? These are nothing but pass and fail, guys. This is info, and this is pass, and this is fail, and this is fatal. This is error, and this is warning, and this is skip, and this is clear filters. So we have everything here in the log status. See, are you able to see error, fail, fatal, info, pass, skip, unknown, and warning? Are you able to see, guys?
Yes.
So here everything is there in the log status. We need to add log status wherever you want to print the respective text in the extend reports. So by using test.log only we can print the status. We can print the status. See guys, and if I click on this particular dashboard icon, see, are you able to see the report, when we have started, when it is ended, and how many tests we have executed, what is the status, who executed this one, what is the operating system, what is the version she used, and who is the host, each and everything it is showing, right? Are you able to see?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is the difference between normal test-ng reports and this particular extend reports. In test-ng reports, if you want to see the clear picture of the execution, we need to see more than one file, right? But extend reports, there is no need to see more than one file. You can easily figure out each and everything in a single file. So let me create one more file. So I am using sag1.html. So here I am removing this enabled equal to false, guys. Now I am executing this one. So at this time, what it will do, it will execute 2 methods and one method should get failed because here the expected and actual values is not same, guys. So it is executed. It is executing without any issues. Now I am now I am refreshing this one. I'm able to see sag1.html, guys. So here I'm opening the sag1.html. Are you able to see, ma? One method got failed and one method got passed and one method got failed. Title is not same, sag and RNHRM. Are you able to see? And if I click on this one, it is showing one method is failing and one method is passing. Are you able to see, guys?
Yes, no.
Yes. So I will share you these two reports, ma'am. So you can go through the reports, but don't spend much time on extent reports, listeners kind, Jenkins kind of thing, because nobody will ask you any question on this one. They will ask, what are the report types that you are using? We are using extent reports. That's it. It's final. So nobody will ask questions and methods on extent reports, guys. But make sure you need to remember these two steps, because I have copied this each and every step from my real-time project. Any doubts on extent reports, guys? Priyanka, Janardhan? Guys, are you there?
No.
Yes. And the next thing is listeners, ma'am. So I would say it is not important, guys. So listeners is not at all important. It is only for your reference, ma'am. It is only just for knowledge purpose. So it is not at all important, ma'am. So listeners, nobody will ask anything about listeners. It is only for your reference, for your knowledge purpose, guys, for your knowledge purpose. So here listeners. So what is a listener? So actually it is an interface, ma'am. So it is an interface. It contains some method. It contains some methods, like we have two types of listeners are there, Selenium listeners, TestNG listeners. Even I haven't used these listeners even a single time in my entire career. So I have used extent reports, but so my lead automatically developed these extent reports. I am just using those methods. So we have seen the methods, right? Pass method, fail method. So I have only used those methods, and the listeners I haven't used even a single time. So here we have few methods, guys. We have Selenium listeners and we have TestNG listeners. I'll explain Selenium listeners and I will share you the TestNG listeners as well. If you want, you can practice. But in my opinion, don't spend time on listeners, because nobody will ask any questions on listeners. So here it is an interface. It contains some methods. What it will do, it will listen what are the actions that user have performed. So it will listen what are the actions that user have performed. What are the actions that user have performed? Because it contains some methods, guys. So it contains before click, after click, before text, after text, before navigate to, after navigate to. So these are some methods we have. You can add that methods before any operation. But in my opinion, listeners is one of the worst topic in Selenium. So because see here, if you use listener, see here, ma, this previously we are launching the browser, right? We are launching this particular browser, right or wrong? See here, guys, launch browser. So we are simply launching the browser, right? By using driver equal to new Chrome driver. But here, see guys, we are launching the driver, and before this one, we are using before navigate to, after navigate to. So for this one, what we need to do, we need to create one class, guys, and we need to implement each and every method from WebDriver event listener interface. See here, guys, so this is nothing but WebDriver event listener. So WebDriver event listener interface. This interface contains all these methods, guys. Before alert accept, see, let me copy everything and let me show you, ma. See here, guys. So this particular WebDriver contains all these methods, ma. Add unimplemented method. See, if you observe here, so it contains all the methods before alert, before alert accept, after alert accept, after alert dismiss, before alert dismiss, like this. Let me copy this one. Yeah. For each and every operation, So here for each and every operation, we have different methods. What we are going to do, we need to add one point and we need to add this particular methods to the respective example. So where we are using, so here you need to add, here you need to add that one, guys. So see here, ma, before navigate to, after navigate to, and see here, and I have added one more method here. Okay, I haven't added that method. See here, launch URL. So before URL also we have, right? Let me verify that one. See here, before okay, before navigate to only it contains the URL. And before navigate, refresh, before find by, after find by, before click on. See here, we have before click on and after click on, right? Let me add this method here. We are clicking this particular. Okay, I haven't used any click method here. So if you want to use click method, you can use before click method and after click method, like this. See here, so I have used only one method, guys. So before launching the browser, I am using before navigate to and after navigate to. So here, in my opinion, see, if we have 100 lines of code, if you have 100 lines of code, and if you are using listeners, what we need to do, we need to add 200 more lines, because for each and every line, we need to add one before and we need to add one after, right, Priyanka?
Yes.
So that is the reason. So if you use listeners, our performance is very slow. So in my opinion, so don't use listeners, guys. Even if you get this question in interview, so you can simply say, we haven't used listeners, we have only used extend reports. And let me execute and let me show you, ma. Have you observed this one here, guys? So here, in after navigate to, in before navigate to, are you able to see this particular text? Because we have used this particular text here, ma. In before navigate to method, in after navigate to method. Are you able to see the particular text in console? Yes or no, guys? Are you able to see, guys? Guys, are you there? I'm able to hear you.
Yes.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the reason. So we haven't used listeners, because if you want to use listeners, you should use before methods and after methods. So if you have any questions, you can ask on listeners and extend reports, guys. No questions on listeners and extend reports?
No questions.
Cool. And the next thing is Jenkins. So Jenkins or TeamCity. So because in our company, so we are using TeamCity. It is also same like as Jenkins. But I have tried to create credentials like user account using Jenkins, but I haven't, because so it is asking different questions, and I tried to create project as well, but I'm unable because it is a paid version, guys. TeamCity or Jenkins, so these are the paid versions. So we have open source as well, but if you try with open source, it is not showing all the pros for the respective user. So that is the reason I have copied everything from my real-time project, guys. This is my real-time project. I have copied everything from my real-time project, and I will show you this one, guys. So actually, what is a Jenkins or TeamCity? So it is a CI/CD tool. So it's a CI or CD tool. What it is means exactly. What is CI/CD? What is CI or what is CD? CI means continuous integration. CI means continuous integration, and CD means continuous deployment. What is this means exactly? So for example, Priyanka is doing some changes in his local mission and she pushed her changes to the Git. What it will do? So Git will automatically hit Jenkins. What it will do? The Jenkins will execute all Priyanka code, and it will analyze. It will analyze each and every class. If there are any failures, it will show you the failures. That is nothing but continuous integration and continuous deployment. Continuous deployment means pushing the code. So once you push the code, it will automatically integrate it with respective branch and it will execute those particular pipeline, guys. And if you see here, this is my project name. Automated test is my name. And here, are you able to see BD, RST and activities here? Here, BD, RST and activities is here. This is the pipe. This is name of our pipeline. And here, this is the name of our project. My project name is BD, RST activities, because activities is one of the module and we are working on the respective module. And see here, guys, normally in any company, we have only a smoke and we have only regression. But in my company, so they are using different pipelines. These are the pipelines, guys. Disaster recovery cleanup, but we haven't used these pipelines, but I don't know why they are generated, why they have created these particular pipelines. I have only worked on smoke and I have only worked on UI. So we have a UI pipeline as well. I'll show you that UI pipeline. So for each and every pipeline, so we have QA, we have demo, and we have production. Observe carefully, guys. QA means QX. QX or QA is same, guys. QX means local environment. QX means the lower environment and local environment, we can say. Once we have created any code, see here, we have created this code, right? After pushing the changes to Git, what we need to do? We need to execute the same in QX and we need to execute the same in demo. These two are lower environments. But production, what is a prod? Prod is nothing but production environment, guys. What it will do? This production environment, at the time of production release only, we need to execute the tests in production environment. And in production environment, we'll execute only few test cases, not all, guys. We'll execute only the major functionalities. And if you see here, are you able to see my profile once I mouse over the mouse to my name here, Himaja Yarabolu? Are you able to see the small pop-up here, guys?
Yes.
So here, if you want, you can go through the profile, you can log out and each and everything. But once you log in, guys, once Priyanka is login, it will show Priyanka's name. Once Jana will log in, it will show Jana name. But we need one URL, guys. Once you join into your respective company, they will share you these credentials and they will share you the link as well. You just click on the link and you need to provide username and password, same like Gmail. And later on, see here, are you able to see edit project settings here, edit project settings?
Yes.
So see here, if I click on this edit project settings, it will open another page. And what are the project that we have created? It will show you each and everything. See the project name, the project ID. And if you come little down, it will show you all the sub projects, disaster recovery, cleanup, smoke. Are you able to see all the sub projects here,
Yes.
Yes, no.
So if you want to edit, you can edit, guys, but don't change anything in the real time, because if you change anything, it will automatically reflect entire pipeline, guys. So see here, it is showing different sub projects. And for example, if you want to execute or if you want to see the failure status, how to see? So see here, so this is one link, guys. Are you able to see the run button here, run button for each and every pipeline? Run button.
Yes.
So here you can simply click on run, guys. What it will do, it will automatically execute our code in master branch. Master branch means, so that is a high level branch. If you want to execute in Priyanka's branch or Janardhan branch, we need to select the branch. I will show you that one, guys. So before that one, so here, if you want to see the results of your test cases, how many test cases got passed and how many test cases got failed, you need to click on the respective link. Each and every link will work here, guys. If you are executing demo, click on the demo link. If you are executing in prod, click on the prod link. I'm executing on QX, and if I click on this particular link, my test failed 1, passed 12, it will show you a page like this. See here, guys, we are using Cucumber here. That is the reason for each and everything we are using feature files. So feature. Okay means these are the past test cases. Failure means these are the failed one. See here, one got failed and each and everything got passed. And if you observe here, the screenshots is also attaching here. Are you able to see? Guys, each and everything, it is automatically there in our project, because leads will take care of each and everything. And if I come little down here, see here, it will show you each and everything. And if you want to see the failure status, see here, guys, UI and smoke pipeline. So I have worked on only smoke and only UI pipeline. So because we are working on front end is nothing but this one, guys. We are using Java and we are creating different test cases like that. And if you want to see the failed status, so for that one, so I'm using this API, guys, to take the screenshot. That's it. So this is the failed. So here we have 37 passed, 3 got failed. And if I click on this particular link, it will show you the failure ones. See here, 3 test fails. These are the failed tests. And what we are going to do, we need to click on the any link. If you click on any link, it will show you the status, why it is failing. See here, so see here, expected and actual. See here, assigned to task should not be expected and actual are not same here. The expected value and actual value, excuse me, is not same here. That is the reason it is failing. So what we need to do, we need to execute the same test case in our local. And if there are any code changes, we need to fix the changes. Otherwise, so we can continue our task. So we can continue our task. And see here, guys, if you want to execute our code in your local machine, what you need to do? First of all, we need to click on the 3 dots beside run. See, after run button, we have 3 dots, right? We need to click on those 3 dots. After clicking on 3 dots, it will show one pop-up like this. Don't change anything in general, guys. Just to go to changes. Just to go to changes. By default, it will show you master branch. Master branch and local branches will discuss in our Friday's class, guys. So tomorrow we are going to discuss only HR questions and a resume preparation, everything. If you have any questions, you can note down all the questions and you can ask me in the tomorrow's class. If you want to execute in your default branch, select only, don't change anything and click on run build. Or if you want to change, you can select this particular drop down and you will see Priyanka branch, Janardhan branch, Himaja branch there, and you can select Priyanka branch. Later on, go to parameters. What we need to do here, we need to provide our testng.xml files here, guys. Here in test case filter, you need to add the respective testng.xml files. Later on, we need to click on run button. That's it, guys. Later on, we need to click on run button. What it will do, it will automatically execute that pipeline. After some time, it will show you the results. How many got passed, how many got failed. If anything is failed, you need to open the link and you need to analyze the issue and you need to fix that issue. Again, you need to push your code to Git. Again, you need to execute the same in Jenkins. So this is nothing but Jenkins, guys. So if you have any questions, you can ask in Jenkins. Guys, are you able to understand what is Jenkins first of all? Priyanka, Janardhan? Are you there, guys?
Yes.
Guys, don't worry about the classes that we are discussing today because nobody will ask any questions on these extended reports, listeners. Like Jenkins, so this is for your knowledge purpose, guys, because once we join in the company, so they will ask you like, have you used Jenkins before? At that time, you need to say, yes, we have used Jenkins before. Okay, then you like, it is like, okay, they felt like you are not a fake person, you are a real-time person, such kind of thing. So all these extent reports, listeners, all these Jenkins, so these reports will only aware of the real-time persons, guys. For fake people, they won't aware of this one. So that is the reason I'm explaining each and everything that what I have used in my real time. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand or not, guys?
Yes, madam.
Yes. And the final thing for today's class is cucumber. Final thing for today's class is cucumber, guys. So what is cucumber? Why we are using cucumber? So normally cucumber is a, let me close this one. Cucumber is a BDD tool, guys. So normally, so cucumber is a BDD tool. BDD tool. So what is BDD tool? What is BDD? So BDD means behavior driven development. Behavior driven development. As of now, we are used TDD tool. TDD means test driven development. So here actually in Selenium, so we are writing the test cases, right? But here in Cucumber, first of all, we need to write the feature file. This is feature file, guys. See here, are you able to see login.feature here?
Yes.
So Cucumber is a BDD tool, guys. BDD means behavior driven development. So behavior driven development. What is this? So here it contains feature file, and we need to add our user stories in the form of scenarios. What are the user story that we are following? We are using that user. One second, guys. Let me open the room. Okay. So what the feature file contains exactly? So the feature file contains a language called Gherkin. Feature file contains a language called Gherkin, guys. Gherkin is not simple English language. So here by using the Gherkin language and by using the keywords in Gherkin, so Gherkin keywords are and given, when, then, but. So these are the keywords, guys. These are the keywords and scenario outline. So these are the keywords. By using these keywords, so we are returning the feature file. Feature file means nothing, guys. We have user story, right? So normally we have user story in manual testing, right? We need to convert those user story in a user understandable format. In a user understandable format, that is nothing but feature file. So if you want to write a story in feature file, we need to use either scenario or scenario outline. What is the difference between scenario and scenario outline? Scenario means, so here scenario means your user story name. Scenario outline is also user story name, guys, but we are using multiple sets of data here. If you want to use multiple sets of data, at that time we need to use scenario outline instead of scenario. Any questions as of now, guys?
No.
Okay, then every scenario and scenario outline should start with a given keyword. Given keyword is a starting step. Later on, and keyword is combining the steps, guys. And is used to combine the steps. When is used to define the condition, and then keyword is used to verify the condition. See, if you observe here, what we are doing here, we are launching the browser, right? The same step we are defining here. I launch the application. Later on, I click login button. I enter the following details, admin pass, and I click on login button. So here what we are doing here, so here we are written each and everything in a user understandable format. Even the person who is not having technical knowledge, he can easily understand these particular scenarios, right, guys? Right or wrong? If you see this particular scenario, are you able to understand this scenario or not, guys? Are you people able to understand this scenario? Ma? I launch the application, I click login button. Okay, I enter the following details: username as admin and password as admin, and I click the login button. Then I should see invalid login attempt error message. Are you able to understand this one or not, guys? By seeing this scenario?
Yes. Able to understand.
Yeah, so non-technical persons also, they can easily understand Cucumber language because it contains feature files. Now what we are going to do? What are the steps that we have in feature file? We need to provide the methods for the same steps, for the same steps, guys. And see here we are using Selenium C#, so that is the reason I'm copying everything from Selenium screenshot. I mean C# only, and remaining everything is same, guys. So here also I am using page object model only. Yesterday we have discussed about page object model, right? WebDriver, we need to create constructors, and we need to identify the particular web elements. Later on we need to create methods to each and every web element. So later on, see here, guys, this is unused file, but so it is there, it is unused, we can't use this file. So see here, guys, are you able to see what are the methods that we have mentioned? We have written same steps for the functions given I launch the application. Are you able to see, guys? Given I launch the application, here we have that function, right? Given I launch the application, are you able to see?
Yes.
So the same step we need to write here, the same step we need to write here. The steps that we have mentioned in the feature files, the same steps we need to write here. Given, so given, when everything is same, guys, everything we need to write based on the steps, and the code is same. WebDriver equal to Chrome driver, WebDriver navigate to, and login equal to new login of WebDriver. Are you able to see this one, guys? We have used page object model. So everything, the code and everything is same, guys, but the difference is the method declaration. So what are the steps that we have used in feature file? The same steps we need to use in the same steps we need to convert in the form of methods in BDD. See here, a click login method. Yesterday we have seen this one, right? Methods we need to write in separate classes, and we need to call those methods in the test classes. Are you able to understand, guys? Same
Yes.
page object model concept. So here we are using the same page object model concept, guys. See here, test methods. So methods we are written in different classes. See here, my launch browser we have written in different class, and we are using launch browser in only test. Same concept will follow here, guys. Same concept will follow here. See here, my click log of WebDriver.create. Each and everything is same, guys. Each and everything is same. So this is nothing but Cucumber. So each and everything is same, guys. So here I have copied one more screenshot. So if we want to add dependencies in Selenium Maven project, we need to go to Maven repositories, and we need to copy the repository, I mean dependency, and we need to paste the dependency in pom.xml, right? But in C# there is no need to go to pom.xml. See here, guys, we have Maven Nugget packages. If you right click on your project level, it will automatically show you this pop-up. You need to click on manage Nugget packages, guys. If you click on manage Nugget packages, it will show you Nugget solution. So if you want any dependency, search the dependency here and install the dependency. Select and install. If you want to uninstall any dependency, select and uninstall, guys. So C# is very easy when compared to Java. So because everything is handy in C#, guys. If you learn Java, everything is easy when compared to Java. C#, Python, JavaScript, any language is easy when compared to Java, guys. So that is the reason we are learning Java in our course. If you know Java, you can easily understand anything. You can easily understand anything. So I will share this document along with Cucumber file as well, guys. So if you have interest to learn Cucumber, you can go through. But don't spend much time on Cucumber, guys, because looks wise, everything is same. Just to remember this point. So this is a BDD tool. It uses some Jenkins language in the feature file, and we have some keywords. By using these keywords, we'll write that particular code. Apart from this, method calling, page object model, everything is same. Everything is same. So if you have any questions on Cucumber, or if you have any questions on our today's class, you can ask, guys. Guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes. No queries.
Just add this point in your resume, basic knowledge on Cucumber, okay? Don't add, I'm proficient in Cucumber like that. Add basic knowledge on Cucumber, okay? Because you will get more interview calls when compared to normal people. I have added everything to our drive, guys. So you can go through the drive and you can download. Okay, now, Priyanka, do you people have any questions?
No.
Guys, tomorrow we are going to discuss about resume preparation, projects, HR questions, everything. If you have any questions, just to note down all the questions. We'll discuss everything in our tomorrow's class.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining. We'll see you tomorrow, same time.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.